grinding fresh pork, fresh kind of frozen pork, to make some sweet onion patties. Grinding up some bacon. Some more of that pork. That looks so pretty. As you can see, the metal pieces have been partially frozen or in the freezer for a few hours, getting cold too. The meat's been in the freezer. That helps when it's partially frozen. It helps go so much easier through the grinder, just like that. As well as alternating bacon or some form of fat, like bacon, or if you got beef fat or pig fat, some kind of fat like that. And I'm sorry, but you know, a meat grinder is loud. There's no way around that. That also helps to lubricate the grinder as well with the fat. Got it coming out. Alright, so got this ground. So what I'm going to do now, and remember, if you get in a grinder, to take your jewelry off before you start grinding, please. So now I'm going to add, and that's 2 pounds of meat. I'm going to add a packet of the sweet onion patty seasoning mix, along with 1/3 cup of water. This is where I'm going to have to get my hands dirty. Mix this in. And now that I got this all mixed in, I'm going to turn the grinder back on, and then I'm going to run this right back through so that it's well blended in. Regrinding this meat. You can tell the last of it's coming out. Get all that goodness out. And then once it comes out and everything, I'm going to put it into patties, make it into patties. I figured I'd show you or share a tip with you that some people might not know while you're trying to clean out the grinder. The easy way to do it: piece of bread, maybe an end piece or whatever, stick it in there, shove it through. You need breadcrumbs, right, for making patties. Might need 2 pieces, whatever, to get the last of the meat out. Looks like I'm going to need another piece, which I have right here. Trying to get it out of the package. I'm back. I ended up with 9 patties out of that. I'll take this, put it in, wrap it up in a Ziploc bag, put it in the freezer for another day, put this in the refrigerator for an hour or so until I get ready to fix it up. These smell so good. Well, they all smell so good, but I can't wait to fry them up for tonight. Alright, got some butter melting in the cast iron. Got these burgers ready. Gonna put them in. My dogs are sitting over here looking all anxious. Put these in. The things, I took them out of the refrigerator. They smell amazing. They've had time to marinate. Just flip these over and look how pretty these are. That's like 6 minutes in. Now I did have the heat more on medium high, which I'm turning it down to low medium. My stove is like wishy-washy. It has a mind of its own, so you have to watch it like that. So just be careful. Alright, it's been about, I'd say about 14-15 minutes, and they are done. I'll take them out. Look how good they look. And I've made some pasta salad, some bacon ranch pasta at that. It's in the refrigerator getting chilled. And I think we're fixing to sit down and eat. Y'all have a great evening. Like, subscribe so y'all get more content. We'll see you later. God bless.